Team has new details on the man accused of sending two communities into chaos in less than 24 hours. Earlier this week, Wink News brought you complete team coverage of the two federal investigations that went on. First on Palm Tree Lane in Fort Myers Monday. Then the next morning, Wink worked with investigators to find out another scene on Harbor Drive in North Fort Myers was connected to the first, complete with deputies, FBI, and ATF agents. Our Wink Investigates team was first to learn the person in custody was this man, Jesse Korff, someone familiar to federal agents. And since then, Wink Investigates reporter Olivia Jean has been waiting for Korff to appear in court. That happened today, and Olivia was the only reporter in the courtroom. So what took him so long to get in front of a judge, Olivia?
Well, Emma, I learned today that Tuesday and Wednesday's court hearings were canceled due to drug withdrawals and seizures that landed Jesse Korff in the hospital. He was deemed medically unable to attend court. I learned in court he has tested positive for fentanyl and meth multiple times the past few months while on supervised probation. Now, back in 2014, he was arrested and it led to a 9-year federal prison sentence. These are the two scenes Korff is involved in that put him back in federal court. One scene is where he was arrested after what an officer called a hostage situation. The other, his home where deputies were searching for bomb-like materials. In the courtroom, he was chained at the hands and legs and was visibly distressed and crying. Today, he had two hearings, one for a violation of probation and one for a new criminal complaint, both involving drugs and firearms. The judge deemed Korff competent to proceed with the hearings. Prosecutors argued that the man is at serious risk of flight and a danger to the community, requesting no bond. Korff waived his right to a bond hearing, meaning he will not contest the bond decision. Korff remains in custody with the U.S. Marshals and is scheduled to return for a preliminary hearings on June 6. He's charged with illegally possessing firearms as a convicted felon, which means he's facing up to 15 years in federal prison. Back to you.
All right, Olivia, thanks. Now to one of our other top stories.